Yo, this is the strategy I promised you guys. You've probably been wondering how I got these spikes. If you watch the video to the end, you'll be able to do exactly what I did here. Okay, it's not hard at all. It's very simple. This strategy tells you how to catch the spikes, your entry, your SL, your TP, and the final confirmation. Yeah, guys, check this out. Check this strategy out. I use this strategy to make this money. Like this trade that is running now, I've given this signal to the VIP guys. Okay, I've given the signal to the VIP guys. So I use this strategy to catch this move. Okay, so before I I show you the settings and everything you need to know about the strategy. A lot of people are dropping their testimonies about this strategy. So before I show you the settings and everything, the parameters of this strategy, I want to do back testing on boom and crash market first for you to see on the boom and crash market how good the strategy is, how effective the strategy is. Do you understand? So this is it. This is it on the boom market. So please, if you're seeing the video for the first time or you've not subscribed, kindly do so now. Okay, and like this video, drop some good comments, check the description box to join the free Telegram channel. All right, the message is right here. Now take a look at this. I i told you guys, when you see markets touching this level, so we are about to do the down back testing. Market touching this down Bollinger Band, this Bollinger Band. Okay, once market touches the down Bollinger Band, all right, and you see this red indicator on the main charts below the price. So the main indicator is supposed to be below the price for you to buy. But since we have the main indicator above the current price, but let's just see something right here. What happened? Let's say this red indicator was below the current price. All right, just below the current price. So let's put this stuff here and back to this point. Now look at that. So here, remember I told you to put something like a box. So which means you're taking the last down candlestick, on the 15 minutes time frame, and you move back to the current price. That's where we have the last down candlestick. Yeah, this way we have the last down candlestick, move to the current price. Can you see what happened? Can you see market just touched the zone and started spiking and buying and buying and buying, just because it has gotten to the oversold zone that is indicated by this Bollinger Band, this the lower Bollinger Band. Okay, so that is how it is now. So you can see now we've made money from there. Let's say we enter, we saw price around this level and we enter, we would have made so much money from that level. All right, so let's look back again, and again under the indicator window you can see that market has gotten to the oversold zone as well. The indicator window one, you can see we have markets in the oversold zone. That's why the market started buying. So we have all these confirmations, and see, even if you bought around this level, and it goes up and back to this point, you can still buy it again because you have the confirmation, the second confirmation here. And remember, you're taking profits around this upper Bollinger Band. Okay, you're taking your profits there. Then let's go back again to check more how to make use of this strategy to make money, right? Okay, okay. So looking for more levels. This was a level here, right there. We have this low, and in a situation like this, what do? We take the last down candlestick. That's our last down candlestick. The market did not really touch this zone, but that was a good entry right there, because with the confirmation inside here, the indicator window one, and you have the Bollinger Band touching the candlestick, and you see we had this bullish engulfing green candlestick, that bullish engulfing candlestick. That was an entry there. You make an entry right there, and it goes all the way back to we're taking profit somewhere here. And the good thing is that this strategy gives you, it's well defined. It gives you your entry, the entry confirmation, gives you your SL and your target. So you can see now this is our, from our entry to that level is our target, and below this candlesticks is our SL, where you can put it below this point, right? So that's it. You can see now we would have made so much money if we were on charts when it was happening. All right, so let's look for another one. Let's look for another one right there. Let's look for another one. Let's look for another one. So this is another one right there. Like, I know we have so many indicators that is making the work a bit hard for us. So we have this one right here. We have this one right here. We have this, our demand. We spread it out. The market comes back to that point. Market gets back to that point. What do? We buy from that point. We are buying from this point and take profits around this upper Bollinger Band. Our SL below this structure somewhere here. We take profits around this place. Okay, and if you check inside the indicator window, we have the same confirmation. We have the same confirmation, so you can see how effective the strategy is, right? How effective and how it works every time. We also have this one again. We have this one here, last down candlestick, and we have here our demand. All right, the market has, you see market touching the Bollinger Band, the down Bollinger Band. Okay, and the market started buying from there, and also inside this level we also have indicator indicates that market has gotten to the offer sold zone. It will be going up from that level. All right, so this strategy works every time. Like, it's like 90% accuracy. It has 90% accuracy, 90% win rate. So let's check something like crash 1000. So crash 1000, see, I took this trade from this place yesterday on crash 1000. So to let you know, I make use of this strategy to make money as well. Okay, like I told you earlier that I've given signal using this strategy this morning, and we are in deep profit. So now look at this. You can use this stuff to trade gold. Okay, you can use it to trade gold, use it to trade VIX, use it to trade boom and crash, step index, even jumps. Okay, so now we around this level, this was I sold it somewhere here. Now look at this. We zoom out like this, you see that we have the same level, which is our supply. We have our supply right here where market traded before, reverse, and is serving us as supply now. And market went down and back up to this point again where the supply was before, which is here. Okay, so that's the supply. This is the supply. So you just look for the last up candlestick. It could be this one or this one, and you short the market from there. All right, I'll show you guys everything again. Short the market from there. Just seeing this rejection, showing that market has losing the bullish momentum. Then you jump in and sell to make your money. All right, so that's how it works. Even on the VIX market, let me show you again on the VIX market. On the VIX 10, let's say VIX 10 1S. Okay, so on the VIX 10 1S, you can see what we have right there. I think I showed you guys this on the VIX 10 1S. Even on the step index, you can see here, this thing works every time. You can see here, market touch this zone, and market touch the of this down Bollinger Band. Market started just dropping. Okay, it happens every time, bro. It happens every time. So that's what you need to look at. So now let me show you guys the setting before I show you the last how to use the strategy properly. Okay, so we have 3 indicators. Okay, we have 3 indicators. We have the moving average. The period is 300. The moving average tells you the market trend. if you're in a downtrend or you are in an uptrend. Okay, we don't expect it to be very accurate because it's just an indicator, but when you combine it with other indicators, you'll be able to um, win more of the time. Okay, more of your trades. So we have here period 300, shift is 7, method is linear weighted, apply to typical price. All right, so you can use red color and you click on done. That's the red indicator you see on the main chart. Then we go back again and we are bringing in Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands, right? We click and look for Bollinger Bands. The period is 28, shift is 5, deviations 3.000, apply to typical price, and I'm using blue. So you can screenshot it so that you'll be able to, understand or know what I'm doing here. All right, so we go back again. We've added the Bollinger Band, the blue indicators you see on the charts. We go back again to bring in our indicator window 1, the RSI. So the period is 4, applied to median price. Levels here, we have level 5, 20, 80, and 95. All right, so we make use of black. You can use black or any other color of your choice. And that's it, guys. That's it, guys. We have a setup, we have a strategy, right? So how do we trade this strategy? I know it looks very dirty. It looks very dirty. The chart looks dirty, but then we are looking for money, we are making money, okay? So since we are making money, just look for the best way to really, no matter how hard it is or how complicated it is, just need to learn over and over to have good understanding. As long as it gives you money, pays you money, that's awesome. All right, so let's look for like the VIX. Okay, let's look for the crash. Let's say crash 1000. So look at here on the crash 1000. You want to see this red indicator. You want to see this red indicator like this one to be above the current price. If you're looking to sell, the red indicator should be above the current price. All right, once it's above the current price, it tells you that we are in a downtrend. We are in the downtrend. But if it's below the current price, that shows that market is going up. It's going upward. So now you know. Okay, so now after that, you want to see markets. Let's say we have it above the current price. You want to see markets coming down or going up to a certain price, going up to this upper Bollinger Band. Once market touches the upper Bollinger Band, all right, what you need to do on the 15 minutes time frame, you're staying on the 15 minutes time frame for this. What you need to do is confirm, have a good confirmation inside here. If market has gotten to the over bought zone as well inside here, if it does, that's a good one. All right, then after that, you have to go back to the left, maybe do something like this. All right, you go back to the left to see if market traded around that zone before, because this is price action. All right, it's same thing happens over and over. So if market has traded or reversed around that level, and yes, market reversed around this level before. Okay, market reversed around this level before, and it's about to reverse again. I wish you see there was a move. There was a move for you to take this. If you can take this from this level all the way down to this level, would have made so much profits already. So, but now you can see we have the this MA above the current price. Now we want to see markets showing some weakness, bullish weakness, that market can't go, or we want to see that we have sellers in the markets too. So how do we know that we have sellers in the market? When we start seeing strong push, like strong drop like this one here, this candlestick, a strong bearish engulfing candlestick like this gives us a sign that we have sellers. You can see after this one, the second candlestick started going down really strong, all right? Though it rejected and pushed up to this point again. So now we are looking for a selling opportunity on the crash 1000, but we cannot just sell it until we see market spiking and giving us a rejection or a bearish engulfing candlestick like this one then we'll be selling. We'll sell it all the way down to the swing low. We'll be selling it all the way down to the swing low. All right. So that's what we're actually waiting for now. So hopefully we get the spike, but if we don't get the spike, then we let go. So if we get the spike, we get the spike. Sorry guys, I'm not feeling too well. I'm not feeling too well. All right. So when we get the spike, if the spike happens inside this box, our SL is somewhere above, somewhere. You must give your SL a room to do your stuff. SL must be somewhere above, okay. And you want to see a bearish engulfing bearish engulfing candlestick like this. When it's printed, you wait for it to close and you open a position right here. As you're selling from here, your SL is above the structure. Then after that, where is your target? Your target is the lower side of this Bollinger Band, okay, the lower Bollinger Band, which is this one. So it's very massive. It's coming down for a while, right? So that is how to do this stuff. All right, that's how to do the stuff, as simple as that. So first of all, you must be sure that the MA is above the current price for you to sell, and the MA is below the current price for you to buy. So that's it, guys. I Let me still check, bring in something else, bring in another asset to analyze. All right. So we have this. So we have that right there. The market reversed before, and we have MA. The market just passed the MA to the upside. All right. So what are we doing now? This shows that we are still in a downtrend. We are in a downtrend. Okay. You can see we are in a downtrend because it's descending. The market is descending. We have descending. Yeah, it's descending. So we are still in the downtrend. So what do? You want to see markets giving us a bearish engulfing candlestick or a reversal candlestick. In the next video, I'll give you candlesticks confirmation that you can use to trade with this strategy. Okay, so you have to so this is what you do. You have to come here and check this place. Carry your box and you're picking from the low of that box, from the low of that candlestick, the last down candlestick, the last up candlestick. From the low of that, you track it to the future, to the current price. Now you're waiting for market to give you a reason to sell. You want to see a bearish engulfing candlestick or some of those reversal candlestick pattern. Once you see them, you know that you're good to go. And then inside the indicator window one, you see we are in the overbought zone, overbought area. So which means it might start selling anytime soon. All right, so as simple as that. Don't forget, first of all, confirm your read indicator, the MA. All right, so after the MA, you want to check inside the indicator window to see if you're doing if market has gotten to the overbought or the oversold zone. All right, now after that, you want to see if market touches the Bollinger Band. Let's say you want to sell in a situation where you're looking for selling opportunity. You just want to be sure that market has touched the Bollinger Band, the upper band. Okay, once market touches the upper band, you wait to get your confirmation. Be sure that market has given you reversal candlesticks for it to jump in and make money. So this strategy is very important. It's helpful. It's really good. Okay, you make so much money with this strategy. So all you can do for me is just to appreciate me, and the appreciation is not money. I'm not asking you to send me money. The appreciation is for you to just smash the like button, subscribe, share this video with friends, and don't forget to join our free Telegram channel. All right. You see what I told you guys, that markets will be selling, crash 1000 will be selling from that zone. All right, look at that. We're in deep profits from that zone. You want to take time and study the strategy. It works every time. I'm not joking. It works every time. So you take your time, study the strategy to have good entries. All right, to have good results as well. All right, so look at that. See our entry. We even entered late. We were supposed to enter somewhere here. We're supposed to enter somewhere here. We're supposed to enter there. Okay, immediately we had that first 15 minutes rejection and the closure. We were supposed to sell from here, but we missed it and we short it from here. You can see we are still selling and we are closing at the lower band. The lower band. That's where we're taking our profits. It works every time, guys.